Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add icons in Google Docs. So from your Google Docs page, we need to click on extensions, then add-ons and get add-ons. From there, you're going to type in the search bar icons and you're going to click on icons for Google Slides and Google Docs. So different search results should come up, but you want the one that says icons for Google Slides. So I'm going to click on install and it will ask you get ready to install. So I'm going to click on continue. And from there, it says sign into icons for Google Slides and Google Docs. So you'll be asked to sign into your Google account. So I'm going to click continue. So it'll ask you what you want to allow Google Slides, icons for Google Slides and Google Docs to do. So you can click some of them or just a few of them. So I'm going to click a couple of them and then I'm going to click on continue. And then it should say authorization required. So I'm going to click on OK and click on continue. And I'm going to click allow. So once this is done, I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to shut this down. And I should be able to use them now. Let's have a look. So add-ons. So icons for Google Docs. So I'm going to click on start. And then this little section will pop up on the right hand side. So now I can search for icons. So things like thumb up, or I can click on different shapes, outline, things like this. So I'm going to click up, see if I can find a thumb up. So there's one there. So I'm going to click on that. And then you can play around with the different size, whatever you want it to be. And I'm going to click on insert. And that should be added to my Google Doc. From there, I can edit it a little bit more. I can click on it. I can make it a little bit bigger. I can play around with different things like the opacity and the style, things like that. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.